Experiencing charging problems with your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro Max in your Tesla Model Y? You're not alone. Issues primarily stem from USB-C connectivity and wireless charging pad compatibility. While Tesla's software updates have improved USB-C power delivery, wireless charging can still be unreliable. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing these common issues to ensure your iPhone charges smoothly in your Tesla. Tesla Model Y uses USB-C ports with USB power delivery, a standard that allows higher power transfer. Your iPhone 15 caps charging at 27 watts for safety, while the Tesla port can deliver up to 100 watts to other devices. For reliable charging, use a compatible USB-C cable, preferably one that's MFI certified by Apple. This ensures proper power delivery and prevents the cable from switching to data-only mode, which won't charge your phone. A faulty cable can completely prevent charging or result in very slow charging speeds, making it frustrating to use. Keeping the port clean is also very important for good charging performance. Dust, lint, or debris can interfere with the connection. Compatibility checks are critical too. Make sure your iPhone firmware is updated to iOS 19 or later, and Tesla software to version 2025 or higher for optimal power delivery negotiation. If your iPhone 15 isn't charging via USB-C in your Tesla Model Y, start by trying a different cable. Sometimes the issue stems from a faulty or incompatible cable that doesn't support proper power delivery. Next, inspect the USB-C port in your Tesla for dust, lint, or debris that can block the connection. Use compressed air or a soft brush to gently clean the port, avoiding any liquids that could damage the electronics. Power cycle your Tesla by turning it off completely, waiting a few minutes to allow the system to reset, and then turning it back on. This can resolve temporary glitches in the charging system. Finally, check that your Tesla software is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause issues with power delivery protocols. Install any available updates to ensure compatibility with your iPhone 15. Wireless charging in the Tesla Model Y relies on the Qi standard, an industry-wide protocol for inductive charging. However, compatibility with the iPhone 15's MagSafe technology can be tricky due to differences in coil design and power negotiation. Proper alignment is crucial for effective wireless charging. Ensure your iPhone 15 is centered on the Tesla's charging pad. Even slight misalignment can drastically reduce charging efficiency by up to 50%, as the magnetic fields need to be precisely aligned for maximum power transfer. Electromagnetic interference within the vehicle can also disrupt wireless charging. The Tesla's electronic systems and other devices nearby may interfere with the inductive charging process. To minimize this, try removing any other electronic devices positioned near the charging pad. To fix wireless charging issues, start by cleaning the charging pad. Use a soft microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any dust, lint, or debris that may have accumulated on the surface. This buildup can prevent proper contact and reduce charging efficiency. Be sure to avoid using any liquids, as moisture can damage the electronic components inside the vehicle. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, try recalibrating the charging pad through the Tesla mobile app. Navigate to the charging section and perform a forced power cycle by adjusting the settings. This recalibration process helps reset any software glitches that may be preventing the pad from detecting your iPhone properly. Many users report success after this simple app-based fix. Another potential fix involves Bluetooth interference. Sometimes, Bluetooth signals can interfere with the wireless charging process. To address this, temporarily disable Bluetooth in your iPhone's settings. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This reset can clear any conflicting signals and improve charging performance. Start by ensuring both your iPhone and Tesla software are current. Tesla's over-the-air updates often include fixes for charging compatibility issues. If charging issues continue, try resetting your iPhone's network settings to clear any connectivity glitches. Next, perform a soft reset of your Tesla's infotainment system by turning it off and on again. As a last resort, consider a full factory reset of your Tesla, but first back up any important data to avoid losing settings or media. Proactive maintenance is key to preventing charging issues. Regularly clean both USB-C ports and the wireless charging pad to avoid dust and debris buildup. For USB-C ports, use compressed air to blow out dust and lint. This simple step keeps the connection clean and reliable. For the wireless charging pad, gently wipe it with a microfiber cloth to clear any debris that might interfere with charging. To prevent dust and debris from entering USB-C ports, consider using port protectors or anti-dust plugs when not in use. You can also use isopropyl alcohol swabs for cleaning ports, but be careful to avoid getting liquids near sensitive electronics. These simple maintenance steps can significantly reduce charging issues and keep your devices working reliably. The trend towards USB-C ubiquity is accelerating, with 85% of new vehicles adopting it by 2025. This universal standard reduces charging issues by eliminating proprietary connectors, though it introduces new challenges like debris accumulation. Wireless charging is evolving with the Qi 2 standard, providing faster 15 watts charging and authentication for iPhone 15 compatibility. However, adoption remains at 60% in electric vehicles due to heat dissipation and cost concerns. Future Tesla models will feature integrated USB-C hubs with better debris protection, expected in 2027. Tesla software updates incorporating AI diagnostics will preemptively detect charging problems. By 2030, seamless integration via vehicle-to-device communication may eliminate manual fixes entirely.